Once you start formatting cells within your workbook to make it look all clean and organized, you may come across a time where you want to center a piece of text over a certain portion within your spreadsheet. For example, let's take a look at our title. I think it would look nice if this title was centered over this portion of this report. To do that, we can use the merge and center command. So the first step is select the cells that you want to merge together, which is cells B1 through G1, which is the width of our report. Then we can come up to the Home tab, and within the alignment group, we can click the merge and center command and watch what happens. It merges all the cells together and centers our piece of text within those cells. Now our title is centered over the report. And even though we merged these cells, we could still come up to the alignment group and select align right, align left, and the cells will stay merged, but for now I want to keep the text centered. So that's merge and center, but there's another command similar, which is merge across. So let me show you that so you can see the difference. I'm going to come down to row 11, select the row, and press Control plus or Command plus if you're on Mac to enter a few rows. And let's say we want to have a notes section underneath this report. So in cell B11, I'm going to type in notes. And then in the next cell over, I'm going to type, this is a test note to utilize merge across. Also, Excel formatted this cell because it saw us use this gray fill color up here, so it applied it down here as well. I don't want this cell to be gray, so I'm going to come up to our fill bucket and click no fill. Okay, so as of right now, we have our notes down here, and I want to put an outside border of these notes. So I'm going to select outside borders, and you can see that the text in cell C11 is overflowing across the rest of these columns. Well, to make it fit all in one cell, we know that we can come up here between columns C and D and auto adjust the width of it to make it fit. But now our January column is way too wide and messes up the look of our report. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z as in zebra to undo that action. And instead of auto adjusting the width of the column, I'm going to select the cells that we want to merge. And we could click merge and center and just align it left, or undo that, click the drop down, and select merge across. So now our note fits all within one cell, and our border got a little bit cut off, so if we select the cell, but the outside border, now we can have a border around the whole cell. So using merge and center or merge across just adds a little bit more versatility when we're formatting our spreadsheet to make it all look clean and organized without messing up the width of the cells beneath the merge or above the merge.